the next thing we're going to do is we're going to reattach these wires in the same positions that they were in on the new glass. So what we'll do is we'll heat up the edge a little bit. We'll take a solder, we'll heat up the edge a little bit, we'll heat up the wire a little bit, drip on a little bit of solder, and just get this soldered into place on both sides. All right, so stuck down firmly into place. I'm sure that previous adhesive is going to hold. Like I said, you're going to have to find some yourself. I used that 3M if this hadn't held. And then I was able to solder the wires back into the same position. I just used your typical leaded solder. Real quick touch, warm up the spot, dab it with solder, get the wire intact and in the same place. And the orientation of this plate should be right, so because we've got that photo sensor that looks to the front, we've got the that looks towards the driver, we've got that sensor that looks towards the front of the car. So now all you need to do is put it back into the frame. So all you need to do is just grab the frame, which is here, like this, and make sure that you get that sensor, that little small sensor that's facing the driver. And these wires they strike me as fragile, so be careful. Okay, so very carefully get this back into the frame like that, and I'm just gently pushing it into place. It should fit just fine. I'm going to make sure this little sensor is pressed forward, and so it's sitting in that little alcove as it should just fine.